In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Pocket Option with Binance. So the first thing you want to do once you create your Pocket Option account, you want to of course sign into it. And then from here, you want to click on the top up button, which is in the top right. So it says top up, this one. Click on that. And over here, you'll see the option which says Quick Account Top Up. First, you want to select your payment method, so you can choose any of these over here. For this instance, we're just going to do USDT, and then you can select the amount. So for example, you can do like 100 euros over here. And if you have a promo code, you can keep this on. If you don't, of course, you don't have to. And then you want to click on Continue and pay 100 euros or dollars, whichever, of course, currency you are using. There we go. Now over here, what you'll see is it will say amount, and that's pretty much that. And then you have to click on continue and pay 100 euros or this much USDT. Over here, it will take you to another site. There we go. And then it will say in order to get the Tether USD payment, proceeded automatically, and then you have some instructions, but what you essentially have to do is you will have to transfer this much to this address over here. So basically, you just have to copy this address and then this amount over here over to Binance. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So go to Binance, and then you want to click on this icon up here next to your profile, and then you want to click on Spot. And then from here, from the Spot page, you want to click on Withdraw over here on the right. So just click on this. And then you will have to select a coin. So the coin in this instance is going to be USDT because we've selected USDT over here as well. So you want to select USDT, and then withdraw to should be address. Okay. Now you can select enter in the address and then select the network as well. So over here, it says the address via Tron network, okay? And this is what you want to copy. So you want to copy this address over here. So click on copy, it will say copied, and make sure you select Tron address. So go over here, you want to select, you want to paste in the address, and for network, you want to select Tron, which is this one, as you can see, Tron TRC20. Click on that, there we go. And then from here, you will then have to basically type in how much you want to withdraw and send over to Pocket Option, and this is that amount over here. So to complete the payment, you will have to copy this, paste it in here, just like that. There we go. And then if you have sufficient funds available over here, if you have sufficient coins on Binance, you'll be able to click withdraw, and then after that you'll have to confirm it, and you will successfully send your money to Pocket Option from Binance. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.